So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix unable to detect CUDA, that is CUDA graphics on Premiere Pro. That's basically a name for NVIDIA control, NVIDIA graphics that you can say. Now, in order to do a fix that, just simply right click on the home screen, click on show more options, then click on NVIDIA control panel. If you don't find it here, you can easily search for it on the start menu as well. Now here, just simply go to manage 3D settings. Inside here, scroll down until you see this option of CUDA GPUs. Just simply select this option and make sure that all is selected. That means this one is checked. Then come back again. Then go to system fallback policy and make sure that this is set to driver default. If there's no other setting selected, just make sure to get these settings and you'll find your GPU drivers for the right GPU drivers for NVIDIA graphics card. And you can now easily find it on the Premiere.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.